Want to transfer money between your Bank of America account and an account at another bank? The first step is linking them. Today, I'm showing you how to connect an external account for easy transfers. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. This process, often called account linking, verifies that you own the external account. It's secure and usually takes a couple of days to complete. First, log into your BoA online banking. Go to the Transfers tab and select Add External Account. You'll need the routing number and account number for the account you want to link. Bank of America will then make 2 small, trial deposits into that external account, usually within 1 to 3 business days. You'll need to check that account statement to see the exact amounts. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: the fastest way to verify is with microdeposits. While some banks offer instant verification, the manual microdeposit method is the most universal and reliable. Once you see the deposits, you log back into BoA, enter the amounts to confirm ownership, and the link is active. Just like that, you've built a bridge between your banks for seamless money movement. How many external bank accounts do you like to link for managing your cash flow? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.